To use graphing method to solve equations, to solve a system of equations, I should say, you want to graph both of the lines and see where they intersect. That intersection point will tell you the xy coordinate that solves both systems. When you are graphing a line, you have the m number, which is the coefficient of the variable term, and then you have the b number, which is the constant. The b number is what you start with, and that tells you your y-intercept. So you go to your y-axis, find -2, make a dot. It's your starting point or your anchoring point of your line. The m number, the number that's by the x, is your slope. Tells you your rise over your run. Take your number and you make it into a fraction by putting a 1 underneath it. If it's already a fraction, you don't have to do that. Then the top number is your rise, the bottom number is your run. So this one is telling me that my pattern is to go up 4, right 1. If that were a negative slope, I would go down 4, right 1. So up 4, right 1. Up 4, right 1. I can do the same pattern backwards too. And there's my line. I always check to make sure my slope's going the right way. I have a positive slope, so from left to right, I should be going uphill. These lines are both nicely in y equals mx plus b form for us. If they weren't, we would have to use our algebra to solve for y. Okay, other equation, my b number is -1. That means I go to the y-axis and find -1, make a dot. My slope, my m number is 3, so I turn that into a fraction by putting a 1 under it. And I will go, it's positive, so I will go up 3, right 1. So up 3, right 1. Oh, there's my intersection. Up 3, right 1. Up 3, right 1. These lines are really close together. Lots of times they won't be so close together like this, but as long as they're not exactly parallel, there should be an intersection point. And there is, right there. So I find the x-coordinate and y-coordinate of that point. The x-coordinate is 1, the y-coordinate is 2, and that's my answer. If I wanted to check these, I could sub them back into my equation. This is the x number, this is the y number. If I put 1 in for x, I should get 2 out for y in both of the equations, and this is the only point that will work in both equations.